Router tables are a familiar sight in wood shops of all sizes. Lee Tools jigs are known for their handheld router use, but did you know that Lee has router table-friendly products too? The RTJ 400 dovetail jig is made specifically for router tables, and the B975 box joint and beehive jig and TD330 through dovetail jig can easily be adapted for router table use. If you're using a router table for a job like edge trimming, you would typically use a bearing and a fence to guide you. Lee router table jigs don't need bearings because your purchase includes the patented Lee eBush, an elliptical guide bushing designed to work specifically with Lee's innovative jigs. Turning the eBush while it's mounted in the router table broadens or narrows the outside diameter of the barrel, changing the offset and altering the amount of wood the bit removes. No other guide bushing or bearing can do that. To make fit adjustments, all you have to do is fine-tune the eBush. A lower number for looser joints, higher for tighter joints. Let's pause for a moment for some important info. The router table, router lift, and router plate industry is not standardized, so you'll have to do some research to be sure that your equipment is compatible. Lee Tools jigs will not work properly on your router table without the eBush. To adapt the eBush to your table, plate, or lift, you'll need to use an insert ring that accepts the 1 3/8 inch diameter guide bushing standard. Check with your router table, plate, or lift manufacturer to find out how this works with your specific equipment. Alright, let's talk about the different Lee router table jigs and how they can help you. If you're after fast and easy template routing, have a look at the B975 and TD330. These two are great for those new to joinery. The TD330 makes classic through dovetails, an aesthetically pleasing and quality choice for boxes and drawers. And the B975 makes two sizes of sturdy box joints, well suited to any type of joinery from benches to beehives. To get them up and running on your router table, all you need to do is make yourself some handles out of MDF or scrap. Lee shows you how to do this in the user guides and instructional videos for each product. To use on a router table, flip the jig upside down, grab the handles, and the eBush will help you steer the template around the bit. Adjustable side stops allow both the TD330 and B975 to easily route repeatable joints on a wide variety of board widths and thicknesses. And remember, any adjustments needed for a perfect fit are made simple by the eBush. If you frequently make joinery and your projects vary in size and style, the innovative and versatile RTJ 400 is the best choice for you. In fact, it's so versatile that Wood Magazine honored it with their Innovate Award. Making your project fit your jig is a big headache. This workhorse allows you to fit the jig to the project. Built specifically for router tables, the RTJ 400's patented step-over system can take on a multitude of joinery projects in boards up to 16 inches wide. With 3 sizes of half-blind dovetails, 5 sizes and 2 pitches of through dovetails, 4 sizes of box joints, and it can even tackle angled and end-on-end joints with ease. To get your routing out of the box, the RTJ 400 includes the eBush and 4 half-inch shank bits. You can expand your jig's potential by adding an accessory kit full of additional bit types and sizes. No matter your project, Lee can help you make beautiful, sturdy, and repeatable router table joinery with the RTJ 400 router table dovetail jig, the TD330 through dovetail jig, and the B975 box joint and beehive jig. For more info on these and all Lee products, please visit leetools.com.